Why do you build me up? Buttercup, baby, just to let me down and mess me around, and the worst of all.
What is going on, guys? We are checking back into Dorney Park for another Iron Menace construction update. And just by those pics, you can tell that they've clearly done a lot more since we were at Dorney Park last. And so, let's just get this update started. As you can see here, the footers by the bathroom have already officially been poured. Also, Rita's is done now, so it's too late to get your last Italian ice from there or whatever you want to get.